Go for the grey, very cute. You'll be like, oh man, I did need it. Dior, pack her a bag, paying off one of his debts. Also get him a date night that he will really appreciate. Amsterdam's like, what, £18? Everyone say hello to Winner.
He's so cute.
Bring the energy, bring the energy, bring the energy. Gosh darn it.
All I can say is that I was very much overtired. Crackhead vibes, love.
Tap away any excess, you know, we don't want to be oily. Bye guys, welcome back to my channel where it's none of your business but subscribing is period. Let's get into it. Valentine's, I'm not gonna say that joke because you know what, everyone loves them. I'm so silly. Valentine's Day is approaching fast. As I'm filming this, it's the 9th, which means we have this amount of days left till Valentine's Day. I can't be able to work out right now. I know you're thinking, what should I get my boyfriend? Do you know why I know you're thinking that? Because me too. So I've had at least 3 people ask me what they should get their boyfriend. So obviously that's highly requested. So I decided, let me just do a video on it because I actually have a lot of ideas already. Some of these are going to be expensive, some of these are going to be not expensive. Also, if midway through this video you hear like it's because I probably turn on the fan. I look cute though, don't know. I curled my hair. Like, who is she? Don't know, literally don't know who she is. I'm gonna go through these quick because I have a lot of ideas. Okay, cool. First, Nike Tech Fleece tracksuit. You already know that boys love them. If you're from London, they do. If you're from Canada, they do. If you're American, probably not. It's warm, it's comfortable, it's cute. We absolutely love to see it. Go for the grey, very cute. If not, navy or black. If you don't want to get it full price, check it on Depop. Jordan/sneakers, one of the basic staples that you need. Or if he's really into sneakers, I know it's going to be a bit harder for you because he probably has like tons already, but get some cool ones. I don't know, that like already rare or something. PS5. Good luck with that, not gonna lie, because like it's sold out everywhere, but you can always try. PlayStation/Xbox gift card. If you can't get the PS5, I feel like this is a good idea. I don't really know how much games go for. Put like £50 on there. I feel like you can get a game for like 45, 50, depending on the game and how like recent it came out. No, it's not just like a random gift card. It's like, oh, I know you'll use it. A gym membership. I know, but I know in some countries gyms are still open. We'll get him one for later. He might appreciate it. At home workout stuff, like you can get him some weight, maybe a little mat moment. Just type in gym accessory. Following on from that, you can get him gym clothing, nice shorts, a little gym shark moment, something cute or whatever. Protein stuff like protein powders, bulking powders, pre-workout. My Protein is a really good website for that. I'm pretty sure I have a code for it. Not like an affiliate, it's literally just voucher that on uni days. So I'll put it on screen. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. Next, following on from that, running shoes. Obviously with COVID you can't really go out properly. You can still go on runs every morning, so you can get him some running shoes. I feel like Yeezys are a good option. I feel like they're really comfortable. I'm saying that from experience. No, I lied. I don't have Yeezys, love. They look comfy, so you can maybe get those. Alternatively, you could put all of the stuff that I just said, like maybe like a little gym outfit from Gymshark, some running shoes, maybe a bulking powder in like a duffel bag, and that could be cute if he's into the gym and stuff like that. Following on from that, you can get him a nice little Fitbit moment. You can track himself, do his little workouts, burning the calories. You could get him a little Apple Watch if you got that money, which I feel like they look really nice and sleek. Another present, Apple Watch straps. You can get the nicest ones on Amazon. I've seen a lot of straps that have like personalization on them, because you know boys don't really be buying stuff like that for themselves, but it's one of them where it's like when he gets it, he'll be like, oh man, I did need it. Aftershave, you can never go wrong with that, can you? Cologne. You've got Dior, pack her a bag. You've got the Calvin Klein one, Versace Dylan Blue, I think it's called, I don't know, and then also the Chanel Blue one. Probably the top ones, I would say. You can probably get discount as well, like they always do discounts for those types of things around Valentine's Day. Another cute gift that's like not necessarily physical is paying off one of his debts. Maybe like he pays off his car installments on finance, or I don't know, bills. There's always something, like we're adults, there's always stuff to pay for. Something that's probably on the back of his mind and stuff, and you can just write it like in a cute little envelope or make it like a little treasure hunt moment. Leading on from that, you could also buy him a stock or a share. If you guys don't know about the app Free Trade, it's really good. The most beginner friendly app on like buying stocks, shares, all of that kind of stuff. The reason I thought of this was because Kanye West, for Kim's birthday,
the rapper put in the stocks in the stocking stuffer for his reality superstar wife Kim K worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Kim's blue chip holiday gift included pretty big names, you know them: Apple, Amazon, Walt Disney, Netflix, and Adidas.
A big brand like say Nike or something, and then get him like a nice little Nike top, and he'll think it's just a Nike top, but then inside write like a little note and be like, oh, I got you it. It's very adult. If he's into that, then do that. Even if he's not, he'll really appreciate it long term. You could also get him a date night somewhere nice once COVID is over. Like print it out and put it in like an envelope and say, oh, I've paid for us to go here. A good quality watch, you can never go wrong, mate, but you can never have enough. You know why? Because you need a watch for when you're going out on a business thing. You need a watch for when you're going to have an interview. You need a watch for when you're like just chilling with your friends. Watches make a statement. You never have enough. I'm telling you right now. Got that money, get him a Rollie. You can get him a Boohoo Man or ASOS or one of those places, JD Sports gift card. I feel like men's sizes are so confusing. Just skipping all of that pressure and you're just going straight for the kill. And he can choose what he wants. Clothes, if you want to pick clothes out for him, that could be cute. You could just straight up get him clothes. Plane tickets to go somewhere after COVID, that would be so cute with you or with the boys. And right now, I'm not gonna lie, plane tickets are probably the cheapest they'll ever be. So get it for like 2022 fam, because it's really long sometimes to try and get a refund if you try and cancel your plane ticket, and I don't want you guys to waste your money. Keep it safe as well. Amsterdam's like what, £18, way cheaper because no one is really flying out, as you shouldn't. But get it for after COVID. Obviously we don't know when COVID will properly end. You can get him sports events tickets, so maybe to a football game, ice hockey or basketball. You could get him tickets to see one of those games after COVID is done. A good bag is always a good gift, because I feel like they don't be buying that, they end up using the same one all the time. Just get him a good bag. It depends on the type of person he is. If he's like into sports, then get him a really good quality duffel bag.
He can use all the time, very sturdy, very good, all that stuff.
He wants to go into the world of work and stuff, get him a really nice business bag. It's
Very important, it makes a very nice statement.
faux leather.
We don't do real leather around here.
Probably wouldn't be quite an investment, but he will really appreciate you for it. So you could do cash in a really unique way. Try and bake those cakes that have money coming out of it, and give him like a small cake and he can think it's just a cake, but it's like got money inside it in a cute little envelope, and make it like a nice treasure hunt moment. A good quality wallet, same thing, can't go wrong. There's always good ones coming out left, right and center. You can get them really personalized as well. The Louis one is so nice. The black and grey checkered one is so nice. You could do the duffel bag, but instead of doing just a gym wear, you could just fill it with stuff that he loves. You could do like childhood things, some pictures of you guys. You can get him an online subscription to something, so Netflix, Sky Sport, a spa massage package deal.
Obviously COVID is around right now.
You can buy it for after COVID. You can kind of like make your own bar pass thing and like give him a nice massage for the day. Maybe hire out those massage beds or buy one on Amazon. I'm pretty sure they're really cheap if you get like the foldable ones. And get like oils and like the masks and cucumbers. Net is a phone charging case, something that's important. I mean, not really, we're all inside right now. I just know once COVID is over, people want to go out so much. So having a phone charging case is like elite. A portable speaker, these are so cheap, bro. Like you can get them so affordable, especially with COVID right now. I feel like it's kind of a vibe to have a speaker. Sometimes you just want to have a party in your room. Oh my god, my battery is flashing, gotta hurry up. A studio session paid for if he's into music, rapping. Theme park tickets for after COVID. You can get him sliders. The best ones I would recommend are the Gucci ones. A phone charging station, you just put them on your like desk or whatever and like charge all your stuff. And lastly, you could get him an Apple TV. They're actually really affordable now. You can obviously get Now TV as well, so that's a vibe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully you guys found something that you give to your mans or whatever. I'll see you in the next video because my battery's flashing and I really don't want to charge it and start filming again. So yeah, love you, bye.